Welcome, viewers! Today we're diving into the world of housekeeping, specifically the habits we need to break to have a cleaner, more efficient home. The importance of breaking bad cleaning habits cannot be overstated, as it not only makes your home more inviting, but also makes your cleaning routine more efficient. We will be guided by the insights of Mary Marlowe Leverett and Katie Berry, two industry experts with a combined experience of 70 years in housekeeping and cleaning. So without further ado, welcome to Serene Shelter. First on our list, paper clutter. We all have it, but did you know it's a bad cleaning habit? Paper clutter not only creates visual chaos, it also makes cleaning more difficult and less efficient. Mary Marlowe Leverett, with her 4 decades of expertise, advises us to tackle this issue head-on. Start by sorting and organizing, then recycle or shred what you no longer need. This simple habit can have a huge impact on the cleanliness and efficiency of your home. Remember, a decluttered space is a cleaner space. Next up, improperly drying towels. It might seem minor, but it can lead to bigger issues. You see, when towels aren't dried correctly, they can become a breeding ground for mildew and other unwanted bacteria. These microorganisms not only create unpleasant odors, but they can also pose health risks. As our expert, Mary Marlowe Leverett, advises, always make sure your towels are thoroughly dried before folding and storing them away. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of bacterial growth. So, take the time to dry your towels properly. Your home and your nose will thank you. Moving on to overusing cleaning products. More isn't always better. In fact, too much of a good thing can be counterproductive, leaving behind residues that attract dust and dirt instead of repelling them. This habit not only renders your efforts ineffective, but can also drain your pocket. Mary Marlowe Leverett, with over 40 years in the field, suggests using just the right amount. This is typically less than you think, so start small and add more if necessary. Remember, using the right amount of cleaning product is key to a clean home. Next, not maintaining your cleaning tools. It's like trying to clean with dirty water. The effectiveness of your cleaning routine is largely dependent on the condition of your tools. Industry expert Mary Marlowe Leverett, with over 40 years in housekeeping, emphasizes this point. If your mop is grimy or your vacuum filter is clogged, you're simply spreading the dirt around, not removing it. Regular maintenance and replacement of these tools when necessary is crucial. So, keep those tools clean for a cleaner home. Now, on to incorrect storage of cleaning products. It's about more than just organization. Storing cleaning products improperly can lead to their degradation, reducing their effectiveness, and even posing safety risks. Expert Katie Berry suggests keeping these items in a cool, dry place, away from heat sources and direct sunlight. Also, it's essential to keep them out of reach of children and pets. Remember, proper storage can extend the shelf life of your cleaning products and ensure they work to their full potential. So, store your cleaning products correctly, and they'll work better for you. Next up, hoarding food in the refrigerator. It's a chilly problem. When we overstuff our fridges, we create a chaotic environment that harbors forgotten leftovers and expired goods. This not only leads to unpleasant odors, but also makes cleaning a daunting task. Katie Berry, with her 30 years of experience, advises us to avoid such clutter. Proper food storage is not just about organization, it's about cleanliness. Regularly clear out old food and arrange items in a way that's easy to maintain. Remember, a clean fridge is a happy fridge. Finally, not making your bed. It's more than just aesthetics. Think of it as an essential part of maintaining a clean and organized environment. According to Katie Berry, with 30 years of experience in housekeeping and cleaning, making your bed daily can dramatically improve the overall cleanliness of your space. Just like brushing your teeth or washing your hands, consider it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. So, make your bed daily. It's a quick task that can make a big difference. And there you have it, 7 bad cleaning habits you need to break for a cleaner, more efficient home. From cluttering with paper to not making your bed, each habit we've discussed has a simple solution that can make a world of difference. The key is to be mindful and make these changes a part of your routine. Embrace the challenge and you'll soon see the impact on your living space. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you have any bad cleaning habits we didn't mention? Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter. Thanks for watching.